sa electronic billboard na ito sa Makati ang isang pornographic video clip. Nasa panulukan pa naman yan ng Makati Avenue at Hilpuyat Avenue, isa sa pinakaabalang intersection sa lungsod. Mahigit 30 segundo tumagal ang eksenang nakuha sa video ito na viral ngayon sa social media. Pero ayon sa kumuha nito na nakiusap na wag na siyang pangalanan, tumakbo pa ng mas mahaba ang porn clip bago tuluyang tumigil. Dahil sa insidenteng yan, pina-shutdown ng lungsod ng Makati ang billboard. Pinagpapaliwanag Avenue at Hilpuyat Avenue.
Okay, let's pause it right there. They faded everything out because, of course, it's porn. Yeah.
How long was it on?
Oh, long enough that people went down there and filmed it, refilmed it, and filmed it again. It was on there for a while. Oh yeah, this wasn't a short thing. But what you're actually seeing there is TeamViewer, right? They're using TeamViewer to do remote login to update the content, but they didn't realize it kept TeamViewer. They didn't realize they were still logged into that PC. You know, they're looking at porn. They're going around on the internet, and yeah. So, what's the purpose of the conversation, the recording, is that you'll notice with Sam that you do not log into a device. You've never logged in to a Sam stick, right, Seven?
Right.
Right. That's specifically why we have it that way. That it's not something where you remotely log into it and you upload the content. Rather, all the content is housed centrally and the device is synchronized to that central content, right? That provides that added layer of security. Right. You know, and that's why purposely we have keyboard and mouse and everything locked off on our operating system. That's why our operating system, is custom made for digital signage. So it's really hard for somebody to try to hack it and put up a dick pic. Right. Because this stuff does happen. Imagine how horrible that would be for that billboard company. Right. To be in that situation where they were just, running a regular PC and some guy logged in, went to upload the stuff, and then oopsie, totally forgot. Uh-oh. Yeah. So when people ask us why we have the infrastructure we have, why is it a certain way? Well, it's a reminder that this is why we don't do it those other ways.
Right.
As it can make the international news. I kind of wish they'd turn the actual porn pictures. We need to conduct an investigation to be able to make sure there was actually a hacking incident. If not, they're actually liable for that hacking incident. You could see TeamViewer was open. Come on, guys.
They're trying to say that somebody hacked it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, they gotta protect themselves, but boy,
that's totally. Yeah. Oh no, it was hacked. There's some IT guys sitting there. It's like, oh, this is a little awkward. Sorry. Okay, really. Stop recording. Other than this is the digital sign conversation about best practices and what not to do. Yeah, don't use remote access and try to manually do it and then delegate it. That's a bad idea.
Can you imagine somebody doing that to the new Las Vegas Sphere?
I know. Yeah, this stuff has to be locked down secure.